Today I'm going to teach you how to create black bars, opening and closing transitions in DaVinci Resolve. This effect is perfect for giving your videos a cinematic look with those smooth black bars that slide in and out at the beginning and end of your clips. Let's get straight into it. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen where you'll see several workspace tabs. Click on Edit to enter the editing workspace. This is where you'll be doing all your cutting, trimming, and in this case, adding those slick transition effects. Now that you're in the Edit workspace, click on the video clip you want to apply the transition to. This selects the clip and makes it ready for adjustments. With the clip selected, look over to the top right of your screen and click on Inspector. The Inspector panel is where all the detailed settings for your clip live, giving you control over everything from color to cropping. Inside the Inspector panel, you'll see two tabs at the top. Click on Video, then look for the cropping section and click on it. This is where the magic happens for creating those black bars. Cropping allows you to cut away portions of the frame, and by animating this, we create the opening and closing effect. Here's where we set up the opening transition. Put your playhead right at the start of the video. This marks the beginning of your animation. Now set both crop top and crop bottom to 540. I'm using 540 because my video resolution is 1080, so half of that is 540. This means the black bars will completely cover the frame at the start. After entering these values, click the small diamond shape beside both crop top and crop bottom. This creates a keyframe which tells DaVinci Resolve to remember this position. Next, move your playhead forward a bit, maybe about 1 second into the clip. This is where you want the black bars to fully open. Now adjust both crop top and crop bottom back to 0. By doing this, you're telling the software to animate from completely cropped to fully visible, creating that smooth opening effect. Now you have your opening black bars working perfectly. Let's create the closing transition. Move your playhead to about 1 second before the end of the clip. Click the diamond shape beside both crop top and crop bottom again to set another keyframe at the fully open position. Then move your playhead all the way to the very end of the clip. Set both crop top and crop bottom back to 540. This creates the closing effect where the black bars smoothly slide in to cover the frame as the clip ends. And that's it. You now have smooth, professional-looking black bar transitions that open at the start of your clip and close at the end. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.